Oh, okay. We just stopped at a gas station. Well, we just stopped at Chick-fil-A. We're at a gas station right now, and I pulled out the camera to tell y'all that, like, you know, we're on the road. We're now in Mississippi. In Meriden, Mississippi.
Oh man, I'm going in to get you a bottle of water.
Thank you. He's getting me a bottle of water. I had my cough is back. I had a cough a week ago. Like as soon as we're busy doing something, I start getting this nasty cough, and Josh is like, you need to go to the doctor before we go on our long road trip. Like, you need to get something figured out. And I took meds, and I'm almost done with my meds, and now it's like coming back even worse. So I got some more like over-the-counter like coughing medicine, and I have to have water with it. So Josh is going to get the water, but got Chick-fil-A. We got 2 number ones. Oh, went to the gas station to get some glasses because we both forgot to bring glasses for on the road. And I got these. These were $20 at a gas station, and it has like a fake Burberry lens on them, or you know, frames. Made in China. Pretty cool. They keep the sun out pretty good. So this area that we're in right now, it's like nice, but then like right now it kind of looks a little weird. Looks like a dude like peeing in a trash can or something. Josh got an American cheese. Also, my roadside drink is the Ultra Peachy Keen Monster. I'm probably, after I eat, I'm going to start a live so I can, you know, hang out with y'all. We've been singing and jamming out, but I'm going to eat and start my live. I just wanted to update y'all. So. Ooh, water. UBR Ultimate Balance Refreshment. Ooh, pH. He got like an alkaline water. Wow, look at him. Look at him. That's my baby. That's my man.
Who's both an atheist and a scientist, says he does not believe that this woman who saved him was an angel or connected to religion in any way. Lying on the ground, all looking inward toward each other. Then, after sitting there for a second, it was like suddenly the air in the room.
Okay, so Josh went back inside to get a phone charger because the one that I have, it's not the C charger, it's the USB, because my car is a little outdated, doesn't have new USB for the phones. Josh got some Gushers, which I didn't know they had like full bags of Gushers in Buc-ee's. Oh, by the way, we went to Buc-ee's, or we stopped at Buc-ee's. We also stopped at, what is it called? Bass Pro Shop. We're in Birmingham, Alabama. Bass Pro Shop in Birmingham, Alabama is bigger than the one in Shreveport, Louisiana. And the Buc-ee's here is pretty big, but it's like the same size, if anything, as Texas. But I got some pecans, and I didn't know that there was a Buc-ee's outside of Texas. I thought Buc-ee's was only in Texas. So, yeah. Oh. They glaze theirs really thick. These pecans, there's not a lot of cinnamon in these though, but still good. And then I got some Nerds gummy clusters. So now we are headed to, what I'm gonna call it, Georgia. So we're like in the middle of Alabama as far as I know. We're middle of Alabama from Mississippi. We changed highways. Or no, we got back one. I don't know. But we got about a couple of hours before we're out of Alabama. And into Georgia. And so far the scenery has been really pretty. I'm surprised there is a little bit of like mountains or drop-offs, if anything, in Alabama. I didn't expect to see like hills and well, not mountains, but just hills this big in northern or actually it's the middle of Alabama. And Josh says that the more we go, like there's going to be more hills. And like I said, I don't know if I mentioned this, but Louisiana and Georgia is really not, like Georgia's not higher than Louisiana. It's pretty much the same, but the terrain is different. So I'm going to keep filming. But so far this road trip's pretty nice. Nothing too scary or anything like that. It's just my phone won't stay charged. And I tried to do a live. And I had a couple of people in the lives. Nobody asked any questions or anything. It was just me like crocheting and stuff. And just riding in the car. We were listening to some Jerry Reed comedy. And then we started listening to Mr. Ballin. So now we're just, you know, took a little break. Moved our legs a little bit. And we're about to get on the road. So, yeah. Did you get the goods?
Mm-hmm.
I already threw the Chick-fil-A thing. Okay. You still got the regular ones.
Huh?
You still have the regular ones.
Baby, no. Okay, that one will work better than what you were working.
Okay.
It's because you plugged.
Okay, looking rough, but we finally made it to our hotel room. As you can tell, it is very, very blue. Hold on, let me change the auto white balance or something, because that's all right. That's a lot better. It's not so blue. Anyways, sorry for like no lighting. This is like an awkward space. It's like this is like the kitchenette, I guess you could call it. It has a microwave. Oh, there's a refrigerator, but there's nothing in it. And then there's K-pods. What kind? Why would they give you decaf? Decaf? Really? Okay, this one's not decaf, but we got different coffees, so that's good. I have my coffee for in the morning. We're good. We're good. I have to wake up at like 5 a.m. just to go see my little brother, but it's all worth it. So, this is our hotel room. Again, that's where y'all were. Y'all were up here. The coffee. There's an actual Keurig. I was thinking about bringing my own coffee too, but coffee, refrigerator, and then the bathroom, which is like your normal standard bathroom. Got towels, got the sink and stuff. They actually have Dove in here. So, toilet. I know, toilet seats up. Sorry, y'all. That there's actual Dove, and they have it locked up to where like you can't move it. So that's really nice. Can you unscrew it? Because I'm not gonna. No, you can't unscrew it. So that's good. So nobody can mess with that. Great. Ah, but you know there's no bathtub. I wanted a bathtub. I guess they don't do bathtubs anymore. Well, can't take a bath. I wanted a hot bath after a long ride, but I guess not. Anyways, first world problems. But shower, big door, big mirror so I can check myself out. And then we got the bed. And then a nice little chair area with a lamp. We need to turn these down. Okay, blinds activated. We got the phone. We got Jimmy John's while we were here. Cute little mirror. Nice little lamp. Okay, that's how you turn it on. So I got the lamp. Nice cozy lamp. So I can put my laptop on. Got my laptop over there. So, and then closet space, which I don't think I'm going to hang anything up. But perfect. That's nice. So everything I need to get ready in the morning. So perfect. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's like a light for up there. So, okay. I'm going to turn off the light because Josh is going to be like, why are you turning on all the lights? So, perfect. Oh. There we go. Now, let's watch some TV.